Hello, I want to show you how I make at least 1 million naira every single month by selling my knowledge in form of a course. Okay, so my name is Lucky Johnson and this is my seller account. All right, as you can see my name at the top of my screen. But then let's refresh my page right here so you can know that this is not a screenshot and it's not made up. Okay, so it's refreshing. So let's scroll down. As you can see right here, this is a total balance of over 2 million naira actually. So let's refresh it again so we can be sure. Okay, so scroll down again and then the balance is still there. Let's check out my name, it's still there. Okay, so when I launched this particular course from the knowledge that I have, I started selling this course on the 1st of May 2024. All right, so I want to show you how much I made on the very first month when I launched this course in the month of May 2024. So this is 1st of May to 31st of May 2024. So let's filter and see how much I made initially. Wow, when I launched this course I made 287,400 in the first month. It wasn't really much, but I want to shock you with my result on the second month, which is the month of June 2024, from on the 1st to on the 30th of June 2024. So let's filter it and see how much I made. So I made a whopping sum of 1.2 million naira, okay, by selling 125 units of this particular course. All right, so I don't want to bore you with so much of my results, but I want to show you how you too can begin to leverage the knowledge that you have, how you can convert what you know into a course that people can buy, that people can pay you for, and with that you can make at least 100,000 naira to 1 million naira every single month. As of this time, I had sold over 300 units of this particular course. All right, so if we are to do a calculation of it, 300 units times the cost actually costs 9,900. I've made over 3 million naira just selling this course in the last 3 months. Okay, so let me just give you an highlight of the course. Here is the course. It is called the Stocks and Shares Investment Masterclass course, and it actually costs 9,900. This is the course that I sell, and a lot of people have bought this course, and with that I make an average of 1 million naira every month. So I want to teach you, I want to show you how you too can convert your knowledge, whatever it is that you know. I want to help you maximize it so that you too can create a course and then you can sell it to the public and make as much as 1 million naira every single month. Well, hold on, you may be saying, I don't have anything to offer, I don't know what to convert into a course to sell. Well, if you are also not interested in that, I have a list of courses online, other people's products online that you can sell. Okay, you can sell it and also make a lot of money on a monthly basis. All right, so if you are interested in this opportunity, I want you to click on the Learn More button right now. Click on the Learn More button below your screen, or click on the link in the description of this particular video. All right, so I look forward to see you in my DM.